Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today I'm bringing you a brand new video. Let's talk about some shoes. Before we get started in today's video, guys, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here, and don't forget to ring the bell so you're not going to miss another one of these bangers. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be talking about the metallic burgundy Air Jordan 1 High 85s. Now, these things obviously officially launched a couple of weeks ago, this month in June 2024. However, in Europe, they did release earlier, and they sat there as well. Now, listen, when I'm talking about sitting sneakers, this is not a bad thing. You can now get shoes either at a discounted price or for retail nowadays. Good quality sneakers, high 85s. I mean, we usually get it about 185 a year, possibly 2 this year. But usually it's one of the better releases of the year. Not to mention the high 85s are usually more limited. However, this time around, I think they did produce a little bit more pairs. They sat in a full size run on the Nike Sneakers app as well as other sites worldwide. Now, I do beg the question, is this because the Air Jordan 1 is kind of played out now? It's just a question at the top of my mind because the more colorways we've been getting as of late, they've all pretty much sat and or gone under retail. Now, excluding obviously the Trophy Room Jordan 1 Lows, the Travis Scotts, so on and so forth, high-end collaborations, all the general release sneakers for Air Jordan 1s have pretty much either, like I said, gone on discount or they sat on shelves. You can go in the store, pick them up, which is great if you like them. But is the demand for Air Jordan 1s officially done? Now, this metallic burgundy Air Jordan 1 is a super clean, simple silhouette and color blocking. I mean, you got the metallic burgundy swoosh, you got the nice white upper layer, you have the metallic burgundy around the ankle collar, the Wings logo. It's just a pure, classic, simple Air Jordan 1. Now, the Air Jordan 1 85 also does feature the 85 cut. They are a little bit stiffer. They do take more time to wear in, but more so over time as you break them in. They are a little bit more comfortable, do provide a nice thicker insole, and that 85 cut slightly higher than the general OGs, I believe. And they fit a little bit stiffer, but as you wear them, they do break in and they fit pretty nice. If you are going for these things, I recommend going true to size because all Air Jordan 1s pretty much fit the same. So whatever you normally wear in an Air Jordan 1, I recommend getting that same size. However, let us talk about pricing real quick because, let's be honest, $180 nowadays for these Jordan 1s, every single release is kind of steep. Everybody every single week cannot drop $180 on an Air Jordan 1. Air Jordan 1s are mainly the, I believe, don't quote me on this, but I think it's one of the more produced Jordan models, obviously. I mean, we got the lows, we got the mids, we got the highs. They make a ton of these and in a ton of colorways, and I'm starting to think people are sick of them. I can't get enough Air Jordan 1s. My favorite Jordan model. Personally, I do love the Jordan 1 silhouette. It's been my favorite. I like the lows. I'm not a mid fan, but I do love the low OGs, and I love the high OGs. And I love all the different variations of the colorways. I do understand why they're sitting, though, is because, like I said, in this sneaker climate, in the market, not everybody can be spending $180, $200 after tax every single week on these Jordan releases. So I do want to know your thoughts and opinions on this, guys. Is the Air Jordan 1 done? Is the hype dead? Are you guys going for these? Do you like these? Did you actually pick these things up? Because I know that you can still pretty much get them for under retail right now on StockX and GOAT, so on and so forth. I know certain sites you can still pick these things up for retail. They are not currently on the Sneakers app or the Nike.com app, but they sat and they didn't sell out, so I'm not sure why they took them off. Like I said, guys, very nice shoe. It's very simple shoe. The metallic burgundy, I'm not a huge fan of the metallic hits itself because I'm just not a huge fan of that like patent leather, shiny type of leather on a sneaker. That's just my personal preference. But yeah, very clean, simple shoe. You can pretty much wear these things with anything. All white, nice leather. You know, the metallic burgundy outsole is clean. The ankle collar, like I said, the swoosh, so on and so forth. But it's just a simple shoe. And that's also where it also you know, may be because why they're sitting, right? It's like, how many simple Air Jordan 1s do we have? If you guys bought the Team Red Air Jordan 1s, you don't need these. If you have the Chicagos, do you really need the metallic burgundies? I know it's a burgundy and not a true red, but like, how many do we kind of need of a similar style sneaker? So let me know all your thoughts down in the comment section below. I really am just curious on your thoughts on the Air Jordan 1 in general. Are you guys picking up Air Jordan 1s? Are you passing? Did you get these? Let me know all that good stuff down below. And if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here, and don't forget to ring the bell so you're not going to miss another one of these bangers. And as always, guys, I really truly do appreciate all the support I have been getting recently. It does mean a lot to me, more than I can even express right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill, and I'm out. Peace.